Hey guys, this is Anthony with Dimension Gamer, and we're playing Pokemon Snap.
Okay, now what we've decided to do here, since both of us are going to play each level at least once, there's no need for us both. Well, I'm kind of getting ahead of myself. Let me retry that. In the last video, we unlocked apples to throw at Pokemon. So what we need to do now is go back to the beach and the tunnel. Since we both already have played this level, there is no need for the both of us to do it again. Do both levels again. Both of us do both levels. So what we're going to do is I'm going, well, do you want the beach or the tunnel?
I'll do the beach.
Anthony will be doing the beach while I do the tunnel. Anthony will go on ahead and do the beach. Or, well, no, hold on.
You can go first and I can go second.
Yeah, you just went, so I probably should. Okay, I'm heading off to the tunnel. Hey, come back here. Nope. Farted out an apple.
I like this.
An apple a day keeps the nurse joy away.
Get out of the way! Right, John?
I didn't know there was a kakuna. Whoa! Close up of a kakuna. Out of my way!
No! Oh my god. Get in front of me.
He's mad! Oh, whoa, go back. Man, we made the electrodes so mad they exploded. Oh, Pikachu here too. Now this egg. Maybe? Oh, crap. I messed up.
What are you supposed to do?
We'll want to come back here. It'll be worth it, believe me.
What would you do?
You'll see.
Okay.
MAGIKARP! Never been so excited for a MAGIKARP.
Stop throwing apples at a fish. Jeez.
MAGIKARPs were those Pokemon that were never really a big deal until they evolved.
How many of them are there?
Apples are ELECTABUZZ.
Oh god. Oh my god. Pikachu is a fat Pikachu.
No, Pikachu's pretty much gone on a diet since the show began.
He's eating apples. Mean.
Those were given to Sims too. I'll have to remember those.
What do they do if it happens?
MAGNEMITES!
They're not exploding up this time.
Nope. Because if you notice, one of those TVs showed a Magnemite and an apple. Huh? So it can hover too! Mr. Oak. Professor Oak never said anything about that. I knew there was something there. Couldn't remember what it was though.
Oh, goodness.
I think I should go with this one.
Yeah. When you knock them out.
Electrode. go with that. Magnemite.
Hey, they didn't explode this time.
You know, no, there are better ones than that.
You know, like that one?
Yeah, he's more in the middle there. Look at that KAKUNA! It's like, hey, what's up? Go.
Yes.
Okay. Which of my Pikachu pictures are better this time? Whoa, wow. My other one's winning.
Was that yours?
My last shot one, yeah. KAKUNA! Wow, they really like this one.
Well done.
Wow! From 1,000 to 3,280.
Jeez.
That's a big difference there.
Yeah,
Magikarp. This is our first Magikarp picture. It splashed!
So, it splashed. It's supposed to be a fish.
This Hunter picture's gotta be better. What?!
That one, the last time was better because it was more in the middle.
Oh, this Electabuzz one's doing much better. Once we were able to get him to face us this time.
Yeah.
This is Magnemite.
Oh.
It sure is happy.
There's two apples.
Wow.
Oh, that's not a bad one. For first Magnemite, it's 2,220. Oh, no, even more. 2,540.
Wonderful.
Electrode. I'm curious about this one. Oh, okay. Never mind.
Oh.
The other one was much better.
Mm-hmm.
Wait. Welcome back.
You found a split in the path. According to my research, that split should link to a new course. I've also made a link from my lab. You should go right away.
Yay.
But before we go to the volcano,
Uh-oh.
Anthony's heading off to the beach.
Yes.
You remember where those leaves were like flying up in the air? Shoot apples into there. At KANGASKHAN? I think you want to try shooting an apple. When you're not holding Z, try throw a apple like next to Pikachu. Hurry. Now throw another one. Not over there. Towards the surfboard. No, we'll have to show it off later. You'll get it. Apples won't do anything about the Snorlax there. But still take pictures.
Or not.
Nah, it looks like you might have taken one earlier. Butterfree! Bye-bye, Butterfree! Okay, start shooting apples. Don't overshoot. Go where those leaves are. down. Oh, there's another set. There are, I believe, 63 different Pokemon here in this game that we can take pictures of. We will try to make sure that we get all 63 of them. Those leaves, keep shooting. Good, aim down. Oh, Eevee. We don't have Eevee. God, I think move fast. Apples, maybe. Try throwing apples at Kangaskhan. Oh.
He likes that.
We got a few, so. Actually, I think Kangaskhan might only be female. Try shooting it in the water. Aim down. Okay, Butterfree. Which one do you want to use?
You.
Your choice. You took the picture.
I like that one right there.
This one?
Yeah. I didn't get very many.
Kangaskhan.
Next one. Yeah, I like that one a little better.
Yes.
Only 2.
Butterfree.
You were close.
Yeah, since Kangaskhan's facing us, we'll be getting more points here.
Well done.
You're going to the volcano.
Welcome back.
Since there's a few things we could show off at the beach, I'll go ahead and go there.
Yes.
Then I do the volcano.
Don't worry, guys. We will be doing more than just one course. Or 2 courses. I hit that Pidgey! Did you hear, like, the little doink? The Surfing Pikachu!
You should just throw apples out.
Curious to see how that picture turned out. If this is the Pokemon I'm thinking it is, I think you actually might like it. One I think you'd probably think would be pretty cool. Unless maybe I need something else to get that thing out. Which I must need something else.
What is it?
I don't know. I don't know what it is. I know there's something else we get. I think we're getting something here in 7 points, so...
My cat's in love. Throw apples at the thing up here.
Kangaskhan doesn't like me. Pidgeys. Oh, I like that one, a Pidgey. Yeah, I'm going with that first one. I mean, look at Pidgey. It's like, yeah, take this, or it's like holding up its wings, like it's like a field thing for football. Goal! Or I guess it would be Pidgey. These videos have been calm. Suddenly, I'm just like, Rah! Pikachu.
I like the surfing Pikachu.
Pikachu normally can't even learn surf. I guess we got that one. That one kind of looks the best.
So why not surfing?
Yeah, there's a few ways to get Pikachu to learn surf, but they're like special events. Here's how that picture of Meow turned out. Go with it. Lapras. Eevee, as you can see up there, Anthony, I had my Eevee in all of its evolutions. Plushies up there. Oh, I like this one.
Where's the regular Eevee?
It's in the middle.
Yes.
Pidgey. Oh. I like how Pidgey's butt is beating the Pidgey. Oh no, Pidgey is currently in the lead. Okay, so yeah, Pidgey did better than Pidgey's butt.
Wow.
Pikachu.
I don't know how many times I've said Pidgey's butt in the last 2 videos. Wow.
Well done.
Whoa, 55?
5,500 points. 5,500. Nothing is gonna beat that picture of Butterfree.
You were close.
Wow. Oh, mine was close. I think that one might have been yours.
You were close. You were close.
Eevee. Ooh, nice 1,000 at the start. In another 1,000.
Wonderful.
That was 4,000 points on one Eevee. Kangaskhan. Yours is gonna be better here. Wow, mine was pretty close there.
You were
Never mind.
close.
Yeah, I had to open my mouth.
Yeah, you jinxed yourself.
We have 16 different kinds of Pokemon pictured.
Welcome back.
I thought we were supposed to get something else.
Volcano.
The boiling magma here makes this place very hot. I'm sweating already. Can Anthony? Anthony, can you take the heat?
No.
Well, guess what? You're going to anyway.
Oh, goodness.
Yes.
Bye. Whoa. Birds. You're fast.
those are VULPIX. That's a VULPIX right there.
I got one of it. Really close. Whoa.
Pidgey's butt is old news. VULPIX's butt is current. Oh, look at that over there. We've got a Magmar and what looks to be a Charmander! Yep. Don't forget to get pictures of the Charmander. Charmander is the Firestarter Kanto. Firestarter Kanto. The Firestarter Pokemon of the Kanto region. More Charmander. Ooh, an egg. Shoot it. Look at an apple. No, get ready to take a picture.
Whoa.
That there is Moltres, the legendary bird. Get a picture of that.
They're smooching.
I think they were fighting. You want to try to shoot them into that pit right there with the apples. But get a picture of Charmeleon real quick. Get a spot ready and then wait. Start shooting. Now, get ready to take a picture. Charizard. Yeah, a few good shots there.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, first up, VULPIX.
I like the no, go back.
The butts?
No. I wonder what he'd do if we did show him the butts. I like that one.
Magmar. What do you want to go with?
That one.
This one? Next up, Charmander.
That one.
Moltres. Ooh, that's a nice one.
Yeah, let's do that one.
Oh, wow. Which one do you want to go with?
That. Go back. That one.
Charmeleon.
That one.
Yeah, I'd probably go with this one. And then finally...
There you go.
This one?
Yeah.
Yes.
VULPIX. Size is 470. Pose, 750. Technique, right in the middle.
Wonderful.
Double. Charmander.
Great.
1300 for Charmander. Moltres. 520. Oh.
It's in the middle.
1350 on the pose. And it's in the middle too, so.
Wonderful.
That's not bad. Magmar. The size, 440. How's the pose? Ah, this is so funny. The technique, in the middle.
Wow.
Some pretty good ones there, Anthony.
Wonderful.
Charmeleon.
Wonderful.
Charizard.
You were close. Wait.
Nope, we've now got 22 different kinds of Pokemon.
Welcome back.
You are doing a fine job, Anthony. Choose go to course. You've unlocked the river, but I still have my time to take the heat at the volcano.
Yes.
Rapidash.
What's in there?
Forgot about that. Maybe I need something else first. We'll have to remember that and come back. Nope, I'm not gonna get a good picture of VULPIX there. But we got some coming up here.
Get out of here. Like, no!
Of course, whoa! Of course something would happen after I look away.
Come on, they're not fighting this. Yes, they are.
I got Charmander's butt. That was not intentional.
Better push him into the... Get in.
I feel like you probably got some better shots there than I did.
How many more levels do we gotta go? 2? 3?
There were 7 total. Rapidash.
Take a break after we get to see the dog and then do the river. Take a little break and then do the river.
What do you think, Anthony? This one's more in the middle, but this one's closer.
Which one do you want? I think
I'll probably have to go with this one.
Yeah, I'd probably go with that one.
VULPIX. These two are pretty happy. I would say this one or this one.
That one. Them two. That's a good one. Like that.
It's not really in the middle, but we'll do.
You should do the butt, because it's right
Charmander bot!
He's red? Oh, yeah.
Let's go with this one.
He's headless. Oh, no, he's not.
I'm gonna go with this one.
Yes.
Rapidash. Yeah, you weren't expecting a Rapidash right away. Wait, it was in the middle?
Wonderful.
VULPIX.
Wait.
No. There's not a VULPIX in the middle. Even MOLTRES is like, go! Is better. Yep, yours won.
I won.
MAGMAR. I think mine might win here.
Yeah.
Yeah, mine's winning
You were
here.
close.
No, never mind. You totally kicked my butt there. Like how we were both, okay, yeah, I've won. Nope, nope, you won. Okay, will he like Charmander's side or Charmander's butt?
You were close.
Okay, I guess he didn't like Charmander's butt either.
Well done.
I did better there because I got closer than you did.
I figured out you won on that one. You're probably going to win.
Well, there's more of Charizard in my picture than there was in
Well done.
yours.
Welcome back.
Next time on Pokemon Snap, we head down, we go to cool off at the river. See you guys then. And hopefully that's soon, cause, whew, that volcano was kinda hot. See you then.
I'm sure glad I didn't fall in.